Morning Kumars. Gawa tayo ng strawberry cobbler. So, I have strawberry fresh, 1/2 cup sugar. Then set it aside. We have flour, 2 cups and 1/2. 1 tablespoon baking powder. Nilagyan natin ng baking powder. Then, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Haluin muna natin. Then, lagay natin ang milk. 1 and 1/4 cup milk. Haluin muna natin. And vanilla. Yan. Okay, if you want more sweeter, you can add more sugar. If not, the sugar in your strawberry will be sweet enough. Okay? So, I do have melted butter. Let's cool it down first. Okay. Let's add our strawberries. So, then our thing. Okay, I add all the strawberries. Then we're gonna bake it for 1 hour. Okay. Ito na ang ating strawberry cobbler.